Never compliment a British person, because I just met a British person at a coffee shop and I embarrassed myself so badly because they walked in and we made eye contact with each other. So they smiled and said, "What a lovely day out here, innit?" But I didn't expect them to have an accent. So when they did, for some reason, my first instinct was to just talk in that exact same accent back to them. So then I was like, "Indeed, the weather is bloody gorgeous." But since we're in the US, when I said that, they were like, "Wait, you're British too?" And I couldn't admit to them that I was literally just copying their accent, or else they would have thought that I was mocking them. So I kept pretending to be British and I said, "I am British." But then they said, "Really? Where are you from?" But I panicked because I couldn't think of a city in England, so I was just like, think of a soccer team there. And I was like, "I'm from Manchester." But then to my surprise, they were like, "No, mate, I'm from Manchester." So I guess I was really trying to sell it, and for some reason I responded by saying, "Well, then maybe we'll have to hit up the pub next time I'm back." And when I said that, he just laughed very Britishly. But I don't know why I did that. Something about British accents